I've been getting a lot of questions about my rising ritual, so I thought I'd share a glimpse into how I start my day. My routine has become a cherished habit. Though I always honor each day as unique, what remains consistent is my commitment to showing up for myself, especially in the mornings, because the way I start my day really sets the tone for everything that follows. Most days I wake up at 6 a.m. naturally according to my circadian rhythm. This day I slept in a little bit because I couldn't get any sleep that night. I began my day by writing in my gratitude journal and then making my bed. Making the bed in the morning provides a quick sense of accomplishment, promotes order, and sets a positive tone for the day. Plus, it's comforting to return to a tidy space. Afterwards, I like to cleanse my space with sage or incense. The smell is incredibly calming for my nervous system and connects me to a lineage of intentional herbal practices that have been used for centuries. Waking up often feels like a return from another realm, and easing into the day with these rituals helps me ground myself back into this reality, 'cause what the fuck? Next, I use the restroom and brush my teeth and take a cold shower. Taking a cold shower in the morning boosts my alertness by increasing circulation in my heart rate, helping to feel more awake and energized. It also stimulates the release of endorphins, reduces stress, and improves your mood while enhancing skin and hair health by tightening pores and reducing inflammation. After my shower, I hydrate by drinking coconut water or juice that I make with my Nama juicer. I make a point not to touch my phone for the first hour of waking up. Instead, I return to the mat and let my body guide me. Whether it's stretching, yoga, I've been doing a 30-day challenge with Nico. I love her. And I'm also currently learning Pincha Mayurasana. I think I said it right. It's a forearm stand, or I do meditation. Yoga has been extremely transformative for me, particularly in releasing anxiety and tension. It's not just about what happens on the mat, but how I carry that practice into the rest of my day. I feel like I'm releasing not just physical tension, but also old karma that's been lingering in my body. This slow, intentional start to my day is something I'm deeply grateful for, especially given the flexibility of my current work-life balance. If I feel called to, I will listen to a tarot reading while practicing my forearm stand. My relationship with tarot has deepened over the years. It's become a beautiful way for me to connect with spirit and receive guidance. After my rising rituals, I head straight to the gym. I've fallen back in love with moving my body, whether that's walking, running, biking, skating, or jump roping, just to name a few. I'm currently learning how to do pull-ups, so training my upper body has been a part of my ritual as well. The gym has become a sanctuary for my body and mind, a place where I can release energy and gain mental clarity. Sometimes I just sit by the pool and get some sun and reflect on my life and just how grateful I am. Post-gym, I shower with some of my favorite products. After I wash my body, I wash my face with Good Molecules cleanser. Next, I go in with the niacinamide brightening toner. And then after that, the salicylic acid serum. And then next, the niacinamide and zinc serum. Next, I follow up with the moisturizer, which I absolutely love. And then after that, I go in with Heritage Stores Rose Oil, which another fave. And you got to moisturize your lips. So I went in with Essence. This is like a lip plumping lip gloss. You can get it at Target or at Ulta. I moisturize my skin with Trader Joe's lemongrass oil. It also has coconut oil in it. It smells so good. After that, I break my fast with a protein smoothie. I've been eating raw till 4 and I feel amazing and the body is tea. I've been getting requests to share my recipes, so stay tuned for that. Plant-based, of course. I also tackled some emails and updated my website, went grocery shopping, bought myself some fresh flowers, something I highly recommend everyone do, and also unboxed some promo packages for Instagram. This oil-free herbal elixir from And Relief, formulated to moisturize, strengthen, and stimulate hair growth, and also a new workout jumpsuit from Raw Active. It is so freaking cute, and I absolutely love this color. I've been extremely conscious about what I'm consuming, food, music, and TV-wise, so I watch and listen mostly to educational conscious videos and music while completing these tasks. I've returned to painting, something I used to love when I was younger and revisited a few years ago. For some reason, I let myself get caught up in the idea that if I wasn't making a profit from my art, it wasn't worth doing, so I stopped. But recently I've picked up the brush again and it's been such a fulfilling experience. Sometimes I just paint whatever I feel freely and whatever comes from that just is. For example, here's my abstract art, which someone said looks like an astronaut. I don't know. I'm so grateful I decided to return to this creative outlet. It not only fuels my creativity in other areas of my life, but also reconnects me with my inner child. If you've been thinking about getting back into something creative, let this be your sign. That's a peek into my day where each moment is an opportunity to nurture my body, mind, and spirit. That's it for my rising ritual in this video. Infinite love and gratitude to all of you for being here and supporting me. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.